Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. My take on beef dumplings. And I never made them before, so let's get started. First, some ground beef. Now let's break it up. It's about 500 grams. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Half a cup of spring onions. Half a cup of white onions. Shredded carrots. Shredded white kale, half a cup. 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. 4 teaspoons of soy sauce, and I love kikkoman soy sauce. Now comes an important part, the mixing. And I'm doing it with my hands so I can feel that everything is really good incorporated. And a little bit faster now, because otherwise the video will take forever. Our filling is done and it's gonna rest in the refrigerator. I went to a local toko or Chinese Japanese shop and I bought these. These are called Gyoza and we're gonna make dumplings with it. It's a Japanese dough. It can also be used for making pot stickers. Now, put in the filling. And it's gonna need some water so that when we fold it, it really sticks together. Now, I like to do this method. First in half, and then make little folds. And you can do it however you want, but I find this method the easy one. And you're gonna need a lot of practice, or at least I did, but I made about 40 of them, so after a while it becomes really easy. That's one, and more to go. I made this close up for you, so maybe I can teach you to do one. But do it however you want it and however you like it. There are lots of ways to do this. I find this really the easiest way. And there you have it, 28 done. Now let's prepare them. And I used a bit of oil, and I used sesame oil. I'm gonna make these in batches. I don't have a big pan, so let's put in about 10 or so. I really let that caramelize on the bottom. Now look at that. That's the color we want. Now we are gonna steam them. And I put in half a cup of water. Put the lid on. I let them steam for about 3 to 5 minutes until the inside is really cooked. Oh man, they look so good, they smell so good. Let's plate. And I put it in a bowl. We're gonna put them with the baked side up. That's the beautiful side. And you can do this however you want. I also made a sauce from soy sauce and sake. I really love that combo. A little bit of chives and done. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my dumplings. And if you're new, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, give me a like, and as always, see you next time.